Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a private story in Snapchat. So before I start with this video, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. Now what you want to do is open up Snapchat, and as you know, if you record anything, a video or an image, you can only share it like to your story with your friends or your public, or send it to whoever you want. But if you want to create a private story, you go to the top left to open up your profile, scroll down, and under my stories you will see new private story. What you want to do is click on that, click on the people you want to share this story to, and then you just click create story, and only they will be able to see your story. And that's pretty much it. It's super simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.